Hi fellow flowers, Violet here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the zipper stitch. This is a super easy beginner lanyard, boondoggle, scoubidou. So if you're just getting started or maybe you're going back to basics, definitely knowing how to make the zipper stitch is key because it kind of helps you with the whole concept of like over under that comes with lanyards. So this one's really cute. It's super simple, really easy to make. You can use a bunch of different materials. You don't have to use Rex lace or gimp, but yeah, you can make it just like this, put it on a keychain, or you can tie the ends together and then have like a cute little bracelet thing. So yeah, possibilities are totally endless with this. So if this sounds like something you want to learn how to make, stay tuned. Really quickly, I did want to say thank you everybody who's been tuning into this Vlogmas. I think this is kind of turning into more of like an arts and craftsmas, which is totally cool with me. Hopefully you like these daily craft videos. But yeah, thank you and enjoy the tutorial. The first step in making the zipper stitch is to gather 3 pieces of string. You want 2 that are going to be a length of your desire, and then you want 1 more string that is going to be 3 times as long as the other 2 strings. For example, if your red strings are 6 inches long, then you want the green to be 3 times as long, which would mean 18 inches. As you can see, the first thing that I've done is I've tied a knot at the ends of all the strings. Now the only string that's really moving for this stitch is your longest string, which is for me the green. I'm going to separate all 3 strings and I'm going to place the 2 red next to each other and the green kind of off to the side. And now I'm going to see that I have a red string that's kind of in the middle and one that's on the right. And the idea is to go over the one in the middle and under the red string on the right using that green string. And now that I'm over here, I need to go back to the other side. So I'm going to take this green string and now I'm going over the right red string and under the left. So it's just this constant repetitive pattern of going over and under the string with your longest strand. Now there are a couple different ways you can hold the lanyard while you weave. One is by holding the bottom of the strings and weaving the green string over and under using your dominant hand. The other method would be to tape down where the knot is and tape down your red strings so that way they're all fixed and you don't have to hold them with your non-dominant hand. Now, as you weave down, you'll notice that you have this zipper pattern that begins to form. And if you want, you can tighten that all up. If you want to tighten it, you would start towards the top of the zipper and lightly pull at the strings, making your way down as you remove the slack. And here's what it looks like once you're all set. Now, if you want to tie it off, you can use the string that was your, dominant string, which is the green, and wrap it around the 2 red strings, pull it through, just fasten it, and then you can tie them all together. And da-da-da-da, that's how you make the zipper stitch. If you wanted to make this into a bracelet, you'd simply tie the 2 ends together. And da-da-da. Alright. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching and keep blooming. Bye.